Welcome to the World of Wonders for Kids. Hi, kids! Today, we're going on a wild adventure to explore zoo animals from all around the world. And guess what? There's a fun quiz at the end, so watch closely and get ready to test your animal smarts. Let's begin our zoo tour. First, here comes the mighty tiger. The tiger is the largest member of the cat family. It has powerful muscles, sharp teeth, and black stripes that help it hide in the forest. Next, meet the gentle giant, the elephant. Elephants are the biggest land animals on Earth. They use their long trunks to grab food, drink water, and even show affection to other elephants. Now say hello to the roaring lion. Lions are strong, big cats known for their loud roar. Male lions have thick manes, and they live in family groups called prides. Here comes the super tall giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest land animals in the world. Their long necks help them eat leaves from the tops of trees. Stepping into view is the striped zebra. Zebras are known for their black and white stripes. Each zebra has a unique stripe pattern, just like a fingerprint. Now look, it's the speedy ostrich. Ostriches are the largest birds in the world. They can't fly, but they can run really fast, even faster than some cars in the city. Next up is the bouncy kangaroo. Kangaroos are marsupials from Australia. They use their strong legs to hop and carry their babies, called joeys, in a special pouch. Get ready to meet the bamboo-loving panda. Pandas are peaceful bears that live in the mountains of China. They spend most of their time eating bamboo and resting in the shade. Coming your way is the pretty pink flamingo. Flamingos are birds with long legs and curved necks. Their pink color comes from the tiny shrimp and plants they eat. Watch out! Here slithers the sneaky snake. Snakes are reptiles with no legs. They slither smoothly on the ground and shed their skin as they grow. Swinging by is the playful monkey. Monkeys are smart animals with strong arms for climbing trees. Some monkeys even use their tails to hang and balance. Now entering the scene is the strong rhinoceros. Rhinos have thick skin and 1 or 2 horns on their noses. They love to roll in the mud to cool down and protect their skin from the sun. Marching in is the waddling penguin. Penguins are birds that live in cold places. They can't fly, but they are fantastic swimmers and use their flippers to glide through water. Here's the colorful peacock showing off. Peacocks are known for their stunning tail feathers. The males spread their tails wide to attract attention, and they sure do shine. And last but not least, meet the slow and steady turtle. Turtles have hard shells to protect their bodies. Some live in water and some on land, but all of them are known for being calm and long-living. Here are 5 things you should not do at the zoo, so everyone stays safe and the animals stay happy. Don't feed the animals. They have special food prepared just for them. Don't tap on the glass. It can scare the animals and make them feel stressed. Don't climb fences or barriers. They're there to keep you and the animals safe. Don't shout or make loud noises. Quiet voices help keep the zoo calm and peaceful. Don't throw anything into the animal areas. It's dangerous for the animals and not allowed. Now it's time for our fun animal quiz. Let's see how many animals you remember. Are you ready? For my first question, which animal has black and white stripes and looks like a horse? Yes, that's the zebra. Zebra has black and white stripes and looks like a horse. For my next question, which animal carries its baby in a pouch and hops around? You're right! It's the kangaroo! A kangaroo carries its baby in a pouch and hops around. For my final question, which animal is super tall and uses its long neck to reach tree leaves? Yes, the giraffe. A giraffe is super tall and uses its long neck to reach tree leaves. Awesome job, kids! You did great learning about zoo animals from around the world. Remember, kids, animals are wonderful, so always be kind, stay curious, and never stop exploring. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your support means so much to us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next learning adventure. Bye for now!